Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your credit card on Nintendo Switch 2. To change your credit card information, you'll need to go to Nintendo eShop first from the home screen, then select your account and now click on your account icon in top right corner to go to your account settings. Then go to settings on the left side and you'll see credit card information. If you want to change it, then simply click on change and now you'll have a field to enter the cardholder name, card number, expiry date, security code. Then you can click on save and it may prompt you for 3D verification, which means that you may need to go to your bank app, for example, or get an SMS code to verify that you are like the owner of that card, and later on everything will be saved. I'm actually gonna go back, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.